Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Megan Rissica. I am a lifestyle and fashion vlogger. Almost all of my videos are vlog style. So if you clicked on this video, I'm going to be sharing you some of my recipes that we are having for my family party today. I also want to show you my outfit because if you watched, I won't say last week's, but a couple of days ago video, it was my holiday fashion haul from Shein and I'm wearing the outfits currently. So let me show you my outfit. I'm going to show you our Christmas tree. I'm going to show you how I decorated our table there in the background, and then I have to get a cooking because this is serious. So we're in my walkway. I really like the lighting. It's very white and bright in my walkway with my little Walmart pillows on our bench, but this is the outfit. I probably should have had David film what this outfit looks on me, but it is a green pants with the white shoes and this very I'm gonna say it's 70s. That's the look I'm going for. This very 70s top. And I'm sorry that was probably kind of rocky and shaky, but I've got cooking on my mind. So that's what we are up to today. So let me show you what our table design is for the holidays. So this is the place setting. Actually our china is from Kate Spade and I love it because you can put it in the dishwasher, and these napkins are from Target. And over here we have my fur runner, and I obviously did the floral centerpieces. Those are real flowers. A tip I have for people that maybe don't have an eye for floral design, or maybe don't even really care, if you kind of want to spice up a bouquet, I start with a simple petite bouquet from Trader Joe's. So the petite bouquet had this in it, one rose, it had these little green circles, and then these. And what I did with that was just added other stuff that Trader Joe's had. So I added this greenery, these little red berries, and then some pine to kind of stick out. So it's like you take a simple bouquet that they have that's maybe not that big. You could even get 2 or 3 of them and make them your centerpiece. But what I like to do is kind of put my own touch with the pine and the berries, and it really dresses it up. And maybe these bouquets probably cost, I'm trying to think, the bouquet from Trader Joe's is around $4. So for 8, it probably costs $20 to make these centerpieces, which in the grand scheme of things really isn't that much, but this is what my table looks like. I have some stuff prepped over here because we're having ham and whatnot, but this is what my table looks like. Then over here is the cooking station, basically. Are you sleeping? These 2 dogs are very tired. This is their spot. That is their heated blanket. And they basically lay there all day and sleep. I don't know why you're staring at me so confused. You know. And so do you, cutie. So this is the calm before the storm, basically. So I'm going to show you everything that I have prepped because I know it's going to get a little crazy in here and I'm not going to be able to vlog every step of everything I'm cooking. So let me kind of show you the basics and what I'm making. So this is the ham that we're having. It is a maple bourbon glazed ham. I'm also cooking them with carrots that are all prepped here. We're having garlic mashed potatoes. We're also having macaroni and cheese. And just a pro tip, if you like macaroni and cheese, a tip is to actually boil it in chicken stock. So that's what I'm doing right now. Got my mac and cheese station over here. And then we're also having baked cauliflower as well. So the calm before the storm.
does it? You'll have to look online.
Peppermint.
This one's peppermint.
Caramel.
It is.
Peppermint, caramel.
Vanilla.
So things got a little crazy. Look at all of our dishes. Like I knew that it would, obviously with it being Christmas, but I will share the recipes below. I was just talking with David. Do you think all the food was a hit?
Yes, I like the maple bourbon gravy. It was excellent.
So I ended up, the ham was a maple bourbon glazed ham, and I ended up like putting a little bit of the seasoning in for the gravy, and like everybody was like blown away by it. And originally I wasn't even going to make gravy, but I'm glad I did. Are you glad I did?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Did you like mac and cheese?
Didn't have any.
I thought the mac and cheese was great. I will link the YouTube. I will link the YouTube video on how to make this mac and cheese below. Typically we make the crock pot Paula Deen mac and cheese, and this was a lot more work, I think, but it was really, really good. Again, like if you boil your macaroni in chicken stock, it adds more flavor to your noodles, and that will win you over at Christmas time. But yeah, it was just like a lot of nice family time and visiting, which I always enjoy. My sister made actually a pie from Milk Bar. It's called grasshopper pie. I don't know if I can find that recipe online, but it is from the Milk Bar. Somebody else is calling me. It's my dad again. Now we are actually gonna stop over to David's grandma and bring her some leftovers, and I'm gonna bring my mom some leftovers as well, so she has dinner tonight. So yeah, that's kind of the next step, but I'll make sure I put everything that I made in the description box, so you can try that out for your family Christmas or another holiday, or just for fun if you like to experiment with recipes. Again, like I'm sorry I didn't show you exactly how I made everything. I knew it was gonna get heated in the kitchen. Let me show you these cake balls though. They're so cute that my dad got. If you live in Michigan, it's a bakery, I believe in Lapeer, Michigan is where my dad got them, but they are just so precious. So I will show you those now. So these are hot chocolate flavored. Oops, oh no. These are caramel, vanilla, lemon, peppermint, and red velvet. But look how pretty those are. So pretty. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more, well, the holidays are over, but so next up on my YouTube channel is goals for 2020. We're gonna do a little reflecting on 2019, because 2019 tried us. A lot of stuff went down in 2019 that you may have not seen, and we're gonna kind of like dive into some of that stuff and kind of reflect on 2019 and how to make 2020 better. So thanks so much.